Hey, welcome back to Zero Waste Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Asian noodle stir fry with vegetables you have left in your fridge.
So the first thing we're going to do is make a very basic Asian sauce that you can use as a dressing or a cooking sauce. I'm doing 2 cloves of garlic, a knob of ginger, and 1/4 of an onion. Also, I'm going to put a cup of soy sauce or tamari and a 1/4 cup of agave, a 1/4 cup of sesame oil, and a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. If you want it sweeter, add more agave or sweetener of your choice, actually. Grab you a bag of rice noodles and let's fill them up with hot water, and then we're going to put a plate over the top of that to cover it to let it steam. Now here is a great idea for extra veggies you have in your fridge that you're afraid you're not going to use. You used them for a dish and you didn't need as much as you had bought. So this is where a great stir fry, a noodle stir fry especially, comes in. So I today have onion, I have bok choy, I have some leftover broccoli I'm throwing in, and I have a little tiny bit of a jalapeno. You can literally throw in any raw, fresh fruit or veggie. Now I'm doing 2 bowls here. Some things cook a little bit longer. They have to cook longer, carrots being one of them. So my carrot, my onion, and my pepper, they're gonna go into the wok first. And then I'm also gonna throw in the bok choy, broccoli, and I'm using radishes. Now I have my wok set on high heat and a little drizzle of oil, and I highly recommend one of these spatulas. And I'm throwing in the onion, the pepper, and the carrot, and I'm gonna let them cook just for a little bit. These are steaming up great, so let's go ahead and add anything that cooks a little faster. I'm doing the bok choy and the broccoli. A couple tablespoons of water and cover it. And then I'm throwing in the radishes and tossing this all around. It's about ready for the noodles. So the next thing you do is you grab that bowl of noodles and you just pull it straight out of the water with your hands, and it's great if you get some of that starchy water in your pan because it will help steam the noodles and it will thicken the sauce. So I added a 1/4 cup of sauce there, but I'm adding about another 1/4 cup right now. right now. So toss that all around, make sure all of your noodles are coated, and then let's put a lid on so they can steam up. Wow, that is looking awesome. So at this point, everything's looking really beautiful. The noodles are getting soft and it looks like they're ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna toss some fresh herbs. I had a little cilantro and chives, so I threw that in there, and a little tiny bit of basil. All of them are great in Asian cooking. If you have a little tomato at this point that you need to use, chop it up and throw it in right at the end. And here you have a really great, easy, Asian-inspired noodle dish. Refrigerate all of your leftover sauce because you can use that in salads and other dishes as an Asian sauce. And then I love Korean hot sauce. Hey, it's been a pleasure. See you next time.